I'm happy you back to my YouTube channel again. Do you ever feel like water is just boring? You know it's great for you. You know it's critical. But let's be genuine. There are times when it fair doesn't taste right. In case you're tired of plain water but still need to remain sound and hydrated. At that point this video is fair for you. Nowadays, I'll appear you 5 simple ways to form water taste astounding. You'll attempt these fun, simple, and exceptionally reviving thoughts right at domestic. No sugar. No pop. No substances. Fair characteristic, delicious, feel-good water hacks. Are you prepared to drop in a door with water once more? Let's go. Way 1. Fruit-infused water, spa water enchantment. Let's begin with a classic, fruit-infused water, too called spa water. Why do individuals cherish spa water? Since it tastes new, sweet, and unwinding, like a smaller than expected getaway in a glass. Here's how to form it. Step 1. Select your fruits. A few of the most excellent combos are lemon and cucumber, cool and reviving. Strawberry and mint, sweet and new. Orange and blueberry, shining and fruity. Step 2. Cut your natural products into lean pieces. You do not ought to peel them, fair wash them well. Step 3. Put them in an enormous jolt or bottle of water. Step 4. Let it sit within the ice chest for 2 to 4 hours. The longer it sits, the more flavor it gets. Step 5. Pour, taste, and appreciate. Reward tip. You'll be able to reuse the natural product once or twice. Fair include more water. Why it works. Natural products include characteristic vitamins and flavor. Lemon gives vitamin C, cucumber makes a difference cool your body. Mint makes a difference assimilation. It's not fair top-notch, it's solid as well. Speedy thought. Make 3 jugs at once with different fruits. That way, you continuously have delicious water prepared. Fun truth. Did you know that natural product water can too assist you eat less sugar? Since once you drink delicious water, you won't pine for pop as much. Way 2. Homegrown and spiced water. Following up, let's add some herbs and flavors. Yes, you'll be able to zest up your water, and it tastes astounding. Herbs and flavors deliver water a warm, wealthy flavor. And they are full of well-being benefits as well. Here are a few fun thoughts. 1. Cinnamon stick water. Include 1 adhere of cinnamon to a bottle of hot or warm water. Let it sit for an hour. At that point drink it warm or cold. Tastes sweet and cozy. Awesome for winter. Makes a difference adjust sugar levels and decrease desires. 2. Ginger water. Cut a little piece of new ginger. Bubble it in water for 10 minutes. Let it cool, at that point appreciate. It's fiery, warm, and makes a difference with absorption. 3. Basil or mint water. Add 4 to 5 new basil or mint leaves to your water. Let it sit for a whereas. Tastes new and calming. Great for your stomach as well. 4. Clove or cardamom water. Drop 1 to 2 cloves or cardamoms into hot water. Let it cool. Solid but tasty taste. And it smells astonishing. Reward tip. Continuously begin with a little sum of flavor. You'll include more afterward in case you need more grounded flavor. Why it works. Herbs and flavors alter the flavor of water without any sugar. And they're full of common goodness. Final thought. Make a week after week spice water arrange. Monday, cinnamon, Tuesday, mint, Wednesday, ginger, and so on. Way 3. Flavored ice 3D shapes. Need your water to taste astonishing and see lovely? Attempt this. Flavored ice 3D shapes. Usually one of the least demanding and coolest traps ever. Step 1. Take an ice plate. Step 2. Include little bits of natural product, herbs, or indeed eatable blooms into each 3D shape. Step 3. Fill with water and solidify. Step 4. Pop the 3D shapes into your glass of water. Presently each taste will shock you with flavor as the 3D shapes dissolve. Here are a few fun combos. Blueberries plus mint. Lemon get up and go plus ginger. Rose petals plus cucumber. Pineapple chunks plus basil. Why it works. As the ice dissolves, it gradually discharges flavor into your water. It's culminate for hot days. Reward tip. Utilize coconut water or homegrown tea rather than plain water to form the 3D shapes. Twofold flavor. Fun reality. A few cafes use flavored ice 3D shapes in favor drinks. Presently you'll do it at domestic, and it's healthier. Final thought. Make diverse plate for each flavor and store within the cooler. Blend and coordinate once you need fun water. Way 4. Shining water blends. Adore pop? But despise the sugar? At that point you'll cherish this thought, shining water blenders. Shining water is fair fizzy water. You'll be able to purchase it in bottles, or utilize a pop producer at domestic. Here's how to turn it into a top-notch treat. Step 1. Pour a glass of cold shimmering water. Step 2. Include a sprinkle of natural product juice, like orange, pineapple, or cranberry. Step 3. Include natural product cuts, herbs, or indeed flavored ice 3D shapes. Step 4. Mix delicately and appreciate the bubble. Why it works. You get the pop feeling, but with way less sugar and more natural taste. Awesome combos to undertake. Shimmering water plus lemon juice plus mint. Shining water plus mango juice plus basil. Shining water plus pomegranate juice plus orange cut. Reward tip. Utilize a reusable straw and a tall glass. It makes it feel like a favor drink. Final thought. Make a scaled-down mocktail bar at domestic with shining water, juice, and natural product. Idealize for visitors or family fun evenings. Fun reality. Shimmering water can indeed offer assistance with absorption. Numerous individuals drink it with suppers in Europe. Way 5. Cool water bottles and fun hacks. Final but not slightest, let's make your water more fun. In some cases, the issue isn't the water, it's the bottle. Attempt employing a fun water bottle or a natural product infuser bottle. When your bottle looks cool, you'll need to drink more. Here's how to form water more energizing. 1. Utilize bottles with time markers. They appear how much to drink each hour. It's like a water amusement. 2. Include stickers or plans. Make your bottle individual and charming. It gives you a reason to carry it all over. 3. Utilize reusable straws. Drinking with a straw makes it more fun, and you drink more without indeed taking note. 4. Utilize an app or caution. Remind yourself to require tastes each 30 minutes. 5. Try hot water with lemon in the morning. It tastes great, makes a difference, wake up your body, and feels like a cozy custom. Why it works. Water gets to be a portion of your schedule, and something to appreciate, not dodge. Reward tip. Keep your bottle close to you, on your work area, in your sack, next to your bed. Fun truth. Individuals who carry bottles drink more water each day. It's that straightforward. Closing and call to activity. See? Water doesn't have to be boring. With fearsome little changes, you'll turn each taste into something you see forward to. Let's do a speedy recap. 5 simple ways to form water taste astounding. 1. Include natural products and make spa water. 2. Utilize herbs and flavors. 3. Make flavored ice 3D shapes. 4. Try sparkling water and juice combos. 5. Use fun bottles and water hacks. Which one will you attempt to begin with? Let me know within the comments underneath. And in the event that you have got your possess extraordinary water trap, I'd cherish to listen it. Do not disregard to like this video. Subscribe to the channel. And hit the chime symbol for more fun and sound tips each week. Remain hydrated. Remain upbeat. And remember, water is life, let's make it taste astonishing. Much appreciated for watching, and see you another time.